As the slider moves, the mathematical curve instantly changes shape. AI models write custom code to build these interactive tools on the fly. This extends to organizing complex data. Ask for a timeline, and the system generates a clickable interface where expanded nodes reveal hidden details. These are not pre-baked responses pulled from a massive database. Every time you hit enter, the system is engineering a novel piece of software specifically for your prompt. This is a shift from simple text prediction to the real-time generation of functional logic. The machine is building the interface and the execution code simultaneously. This execution is expanding into visual design too. A flat two-dimensional illustration can now be cleanly separated into fully editable floating 3D layers. Backgrounds, subjects, and midgrounds are isolated by the machine in seconds. We see this same autonomous execution crossing into the physical world. Humanoid robots are now navigating unstructured environments, like a messy living room, to identify objects and tidy up a space. For decades, our economy has rewarded knowledge workers for performing these exact kinds of technical tasks. Now, we must confront what happens to human value when execution becomes instant and virtually free. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman recently outlined a vision for the business model that will drive this technology forward. In this model, raw intelligence acts as a commoditized utility. Cognitive power will be distributed and sold exactly like water or electricity. Instead of paying a flat $20 monthly subscription to access a software tool, you'll be on a meter. Every problem solved, every line of code written, and every computational thought generated will draw a microcharge based on the exact amount of intelligence you consume. We are moving toward a future where we rent cognitive power by the drop. Curious intelligence won't just sit idle waiting for human prompts. It is going to act autonomously. Look at Meta's recent acquisition of Moltbook. Moltbook is a viral social network designed exclusively for AI agents. On this platform, bots communicate, debate, and post their own content entirely without human intervention. The end point of this technology is a world where your personal AI agent autonomously navigates the web. It will research products, compare reviews, and ultimately spend your money on your behalf. The architecture of the internet is shifting to cater to these automated bot consumers. Execution and raw intelligence are becoming standardized commodities. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang offers a distinct perspective on where true value will lie in this future. His thesis is straightforward. If technical problem-solving and coding are easily handled by machines, then traditional IQ is no longer a premium human skill. The new scarcity in the job market will be human empathy, life experience, and intuition. The people who thrive will be the ones who can feel the vibe of complex social and economic situations. In a world where execution is guaranteed, the most valuable asset is no longer knowing how to build something. It is knowing what is actually worth building. History's most successful innovators didn't win solely through raw computational power. They succeeded by predicting human desires long before those desires fully materialized. Industry pioneers didn't just ask the market what it wanted. They relied on human intuition to envision a future that the public couldn't yet imagine. An artificial intelligence can write perfect sales copy, and it can flawlessly optimize a database, but it cannot experience the human condition required to truly innovate for it. Success doesn't come from outcomputing the machine. Your ultimate competitive advantage remains your inherent humanity and your taste.